and a subscribe. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I'm going to say like 12 times. Everyone in chat spam W. It's going to be me spamming W. Oh, that's funny. Alright, time to lock in. Not really. I could read this, or I could do LeetCode. Alright, what's the next LeetCode problem? Well, I can't figure this LeetCode problem out. Mustard. Mustard. Wait, is my webcam in the way? It might be. It might end up being in the way. It's like almost in the way. Dude, I wonder how I'm able to put my freaking chat on the screen. I don't know. I'm gonna look that up later. I want to be able to know. Shucks. Alright, whatever. I love. Yes, sir. 15 subscribers. Put that like right there on the banana so I can see it. Alright, let's think about this. Am I gonna throw up eating this? Probably. That's good. I'm not gonna lie. I was ready to puke. It's actually good. Surprisingly. Kids with the greatest number of candies. I know what kid I'm snatching. I'm just kidding. In game, of course. In game. I didn't say that. I'm gonna delete this live stream. I'm never getting a job now. I'm cooked. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at this and determine if I can do it or not. There are n kids, so we don't know the number of kids, with candies. You are given an integer array, candies. So int array candies. Alright. Where each I represents the number of candies the ith kid has. And an integer extra candies, denoting the number of extra candies that you have, that I have. Okay. Return some Boolean array result. Some Boolean array, true, false, false, of length n, where result I is true if after giving the ith kid all the extra candies. Note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. Give the ith kid all the extra candies. Oh. Wait, what does this mean? Give the ith kid all the extra candies. Note that multiple kids have the greatest number of candies. Input candies, extra candies 3. If you give him it true, give it to him, it's true. Give it to him is true. Give it to him is false. Oh, this is easy. This is actually easy. I think I know how to do this one off the rib. Mmm. Can't lie, this smells pretty good. Intriguing. I was not expecting to like this.
You actually did Italian on my list of languages.
I ain't gonna lie, I started putting French on mine as a beginner. Gotta make sure they know I'm beginner friendly. It's like a cool thing that I don't think anyone else would be doing. So what I'm gonna do is, what is that thing he told me? Excalibur. Interesting. Can I erase all this somehow, like real fast? All right, get all this nonsense out of here. All right, chat. Here's what we're gonna do. So we need to determine. We have a big list of random numbers which represent kids with candy. And what we need to do is we need to determine if we give one of these kids an amount of candy, let's say 3, if they'll have more candy than every other kid. So here, because the other kid has 4, so he doesn't have the greatest amount, he's equal to the other kid. Now if you give him 3 candies and not this guy, then boom, yes, check, boom, he does have the greatest amount over everyone. Or here, we give him 3, and then boom, he no longer has 3. It's 1, 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, more than the rest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop through this. And once I loop through it, I'm going to figure out what the biggest number is. And then I'm going to make another loop where I go and then add 3 to it. So plus 3. And compare it to the max of the original before adding 3. This problem is actually really easy. So var int I equals 0, I is less than candies.length minus 1 because we're doing it from 0 to, let's say the length is 10. Yeah. I plus plus. Boom boom. Here's where we're going to try to get our max value. So we're going to have some int max equals 0 for now. Shucks. Shucks. I hate this keyboard, bro. I cannot type on it. For int I equals 0, 0, 0. If candies at I is greater than max, then we're going to set max to candies at whatever I is. Boom, now we figured out what our max was. So loop through this, loop through this, loop through this. How big is it going to be? Less than 100. Okay, that should be able to run in a reasonable amount of time, which is O of n. Boom. This is OM. Alright, cool. Why is my for loop so far? It's interesting. Hit shift tab. Alright, we're good. Now for, we're gonna just do this all over again. Oh, we need an array. We need an array. So we need to make an int array of no, a boolean. For returning a boolean array of answer equals new boolean array. I believe that's how we do it. Boom. Now, if candy size is greater than max, wait, that's not what we want. We want to loop through, and we want to say if. We're going to loop through each of them, and we're going to figure out what max is. And we're going to do if candies. Okay, so it's literally the same thing. Then we want to do answer at I equals true. Else answer at I equals false. And then what we want to do, we want to return answer. Please let it be a first take. No. Array dimension missing? We don't know. We don't know how big it's gonna be, bro. How do I? Shucks, this always gets me. Oh wait, I'm actually stupid. The size is candies.length minus 1. Boolean can not be converted to list. Can I turn this to a list? Shucks, I actually don't know what I'm doing. How do I do this? I think this is. Alright, this is where he comes in. How do I turn an array with stuff in it into a list? Oh, should I just make a list instead? Instead of trying to convert? Isn't this how they do it? I don't think this works. It's gonna be like, what the heck is this? Let's try to figure this out. Can I declare a list size without knowing what will be in the list? But the type is Boolean. Type is Boolean. It says return. It's returning. Well, can't I do? Cause what was it telling me before? So I gotta use an array list by importing it. If you want to create a list so you're telling me all I need to do is list boolean list. So list boolean. I'm gonna call the result new array list. Oh wait, I did that wrong. Yikes. And what is word? Using array list. Array required. Shucks. Wait. Wait. I can't typecast this to a list array, right? So we do that add. Oops. So instead of doing wait. I doesn't know where to add it at. How does it know which index to add false to? Turn this deep think off, bro. Just hurry up. Give me an answer. Cause now I'm not telling it where. I mean, yeah, I might know where. I might just take. Yeah. Okay, so I need to do. Shucks. How do you do this? List boolean. Make a list. We call it boolean. Result. New array list. Boom boom. Boom boom. We do that. We get the array list. We're getting. Oh, I'm adding another one of these, and it should be false. We're one short. Interesting. But yeah. Two. Oh. We need to do greater than or equal to. Bruh. We get none right again. And why are we getting none right? Check 0. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's 5 total, so yeah. Isn't it keeping max? No, it should. For I0. So if Some logic's broken here. Is 2 greater than or equal to 5? No, so return false. Oh, I didn't add the freaking candy logic. I'm so slow. I'm so slow.
Oh, what?
I thought I just didn't do like half the problem. This always happens to me.
I have no point in making this choice.
Cook for 2:30. Alright, we got food cooking, Chad. We got food cooking. I forgot to freaking handle the candies. Literally, I'm doing nothing with extra candies. This should fix it. That should be an easy fix, right? I love. Wait. Oh, I'm silly. I'm a silly little goose. And is this going to leave an empty space now? It will. Because there's 10 things in it. Out of bounds. How are we not out of bounds? Let's think. The length is 5. We're doing 0. Oh, does it not check 0? Does it check 1, 2? Because technically it doesn't have a length 0. It does length 1. No. 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 Alright, why though? This is good, I'm learning. Extra candies is 4. It's saying true for all of them. Okay, here's our problem. But wait, why is it saying true? If candies at this are greater than or equal to max. See, shucks, I keep doing that. I'm doing length minus 1. So 3. Okay, I'm just silly. This should fix it. Zero millisecond response time, boys and girls. 0 millisecond runtime. Isn't that crazy? Someone call me James McCrazy, dude. Because I'm crazy. I can't believe I just got 0 millisecond response time. This is actually crazy. Actually crazy, I'm learning how to do this. I'm learning. Interesting. Wait. No way this was 2 minutes 30 seconds, bro. Throw this in there. 2 minutes 30 seconds later. And now this is a minute 15. I'm going to go a minute 30. Make sure that thing goes. Let's go. 0 millisecond response time, baby. Because this O of N and this is O of N. Ah, I'm learning. And why are we not doing... Oh, we're starting at 0, so we want it less than length. If we start at 1, we're going to minus 1. Because it's 0 to... Okay, I got it. We cook chat. Because like 3, 4, 5. 5. We're going from 0 to 4. This is actually 5. Boom. Okay. Let's freaking go, dude. That's 5 LeetCode problems done. If I do another one tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day.
You'll get there. Actually.
Yeah.
It's a slow process, but
I'm gonna get to 850, like Mr. Cheese.
It's a slow process, but it doesn't have to be a fast one.
This is lovely. I can't lie. Like, the process of doing this is fun. 4 done, and like I feel like I've actually learned a whole lot already on how to solve some of these problems. I beat 100% of people because I have 0 millisecond runtime. Let's go. Most people are at 1 millisecond. Mine's 1 millisecond faster than 1 millisecond. It's 0. It means it doesn't even take time to run. Dang, I might do 2 LeetCodes tonight. Screw it. Alright, let's do another one, bro. It's day 1 of 100 of me trying to stream every day and do a LeetCode problem. But not finish a LeetCode problem. Just attempt one. Let's check it out. Let's go. LeetCode, baby. LeetCode. I did this with 19 submissions. Wrong answer, wrong answer, wrong answer. Oh, that's funny. El Bozo. Too bad. Done. Wait, I did this one in Java, right? Yeah. Reverse vowels of a string. Oh, I could do this one. This one's gonna drive me wild, though. Neighbors. Oh, it's so hot. Freaking film, dude. I don't lie, I kind of hope someone quits J Crew now so you can come work for me. You know we would never work together.
I know.
Because there's only one part-time. Well, I lie. We would probably work together like once a month. Because like usually, it's usually it's like one part-time person and like a manager is here.
One guy and a manager.
Yeah. Or one girl, because it's mostly girls.
Generalization.
Men?
Gender neutral term.
Men?
Guy. Gender neutral term.
Men. I'm sorry. I like men.
I know.
My name's Johnny Bravo. And I like men. Alright, I'm gonna eat my second meal. Perchance. Brickwa. Can I watch someone else's YouTube stream while I'm streaming and not get banned? And he's a small streamer. Yeah, whatever. I gotta do a LeetCode problem anyways. Mason, how do you feel about beef, potatoes, and queso? Do you think that would be good?
Probably.
Do you want one?
No.
You not hungry?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. $330 calories plus 430 is 760. Yeah, let me go add that to my dinner real quick. With 760 calories. Dang, I'm only at 1,500 calories. What the heck? I ain't gonna lie, I don't think I logged my lunch right. I'm at 1,500 right now. I don't know. We have to see. I need to put my YouTube back up so I can see chat. I'm about to fix this problem soon. It's not gonna be a common error. A fool man. A foolish man. A wise man. Oh, when I got back to the dorm, there was like the cop sirens weren't on, but they had their blue light on. Just their blue light.
Weird.
It was strange. I don't know if they're just lighting the area up or not, but there wasn't 500,000 people out there finally. Given some string S. Alright, we're giving some string S. Like ice cream. The vowels. Are... And they can appear in both lower and upper cases. More than once. Wait. Alright, chat. Here's what we're gonna do. Chat. 0. Can I let's say we got a word and it's called ice cream. Ice cream. I want to flip the vowels in it. If we make one list, shucks, one list for vowels, and we just store what vowel it is. So this is going to be a char, if you will, some char list of vowels, and we're going to store I, E, E, A. I, E, E, A. Did I do that right? I, E, E, A, yeah. In some list. And then we're going to store some int for those. Called index, some index. To keep in mind what index they're at. So this is index 0. This one's at index 0, 1, 2, yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6. And then we're going to return, or we're going to loop through it. So we're going to make one loop to see, does car at 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. So does car equal A, E, I, O, U? If so, store what this is in vowels. Store what the index is in vowels. And then store what I is. The index is an index. Part 2. Stop playing and lock in, please. Goat it. Some random story. They knew what they were talking about. Boom, this is fairly easy actually. Wow. And then to put it back in here, we're going to take S at, is it at the index, or is it get at, or car at? We're going to do car S dot car at I, and some loop using instead of using an I, can I do wait a minute. Oh, wait, not at I. We're going to do car at int at index, whatever I is, in some loop. Oh, in some loop. Equals vowel backwards. Vowel. Can I? Shucks. At vowel. Length minus 1, or minus 1, minus 1. Or we could just call something up here called length minus 1 for vowels. And then we could just, actually, let me think about it. before doing it, because I'd hoped last time. If we do vowel or last, some int last equals vowel dot length zero, 1, 2, 3. We don't want the length, we want the length -1. So instead of doing that, now that this, let's say 3, do last minus I, and now the car at whatever index it is gonna flip. Oh my god, I'm freaking brilliant. Yesterday I was not brilliant. Today I was brilliant. I have all the logic figured out. I just gotta implement it. So we're gonna make some car vowels. Oh shucks, we don't know how many vowels there is. We don't know how many vowels are in car. We can fix the size by making a quick loop called stroking up. I'm having a stroke. For some int I less than length, I plus plus. Let's do car vowel. We're just gonna say all the vowels. It's a new car array, or actually this. We're gonna do A, I, or E, I, O, and U. Oh, I could set it that way. I could do int vowel count. I could have 0 vowels. So now we know how many vowel counts there are. We can then move this down here because I keep getting error when I do that. Vowel count. However many vowels. What is vowel for again? Oh, I gotta add it here anyways. So I could store it without it and just go. Very nice. Now this vowel count, or this vowel, should be filled up with all the vowels from the string. Shucks. Oh, I didn't keep the index either. Index at I. Boom. For in I is less than vowel length. What am I gonna do?
Who else up planting these zombies? Is this another one of those puzzles?
Yeah, I did one already. I'm gonna try to do 2 today. I'm close.
Nice.
Yeah. The first one was the one I just did was really easy. 0 millisecond runtime. I'm goated.
Damn.
Yeah. I beat 100% of people because I'm the GOAT. That's what it said. Most people run 1 millisecond runtime because they use the AI because that's what the AI can
So you
do.
do it fully by yourself?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Too bad my code's trash anyways. Oh well. It's alright. I understand how to do this. This is like interview questions for like jobs. This is what they use it from. It's just like stupid puzzles that like prove you know how to do code. That's the potato thing. Queso thing. I had another one too. It was like barbecue with sausage and beef and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's only 300.
Yeah. This other one's 430. It's not a lot though. I'm gonna be real.
Yeah.
Like I ate 2 of these and
I
I'm
just
about.
thought it'd be more calorie dense, honestly.
Yeah, it's not great, honestly, but. How do I?
What plant is that?
Fart into eye.
Huh?
Oscar.
Oh,
Wait, instead of fart into eye.
interesting.
A vowel length 1, 2, 3, 4, blah 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 blah. It should have the same amount of vowels as indexes.
Oh, I
So
get it. It's a beetroot.
Yeah.
S dot car at vowel at I equals. No, it's supposed to be index. At,
Oh, I found out. I got at least half of the calc test questions right.
Yep, all because of me. I lost.
Nah, yes, I got that true or false one right. I got the Tom one right. And then, I'm gonna be honest, if I got the test for divergence one wrong, I'm just a fucking dumbass.
What is it? It's vowel dot length. Oh shucks, I don't know what length is.
I can't believe I got ridiculed by my teacher yesterday, though.
Really?
Yes. For April Fools, like, unironically got
That's-
ridiculed by my math teacher.
That's awesome. Was it good or bad?
It was 10:50. I was laying down in bed. I was already asleep, and I said, "Oh yeah, I need to go do that bonus point assignment." Read the email. It said, "Watch this video on the limit series and reply back with something like interesting on it." I'm like, "Okay." Click infinite series. It pulls up a YouTube video.
And
And
did you reply with something interesting?
Kidding? Huh?
Did you say anything interesting
I
about
said, "You got me," and I went to sleep.
it? You could have bonus points, bro. I really like this song. I find it interesting.
No, I'm gonna be honest. When I woke up, I was like, man, there was like 10 other things I could have said. I literally,
No,
I
I respect
was
it.
so fucking tired. And then there was the Kim test this morning, which honestly wasn't bad. I think I only got like maybe 2 problems. I know I got 1 wrong, and then I had like 150. I had 2 50/50s, which means I got 1 wrong, which means that I actually got 5 wrong.
Those cooks.
Yeah, man, if he's cooked, I'm cooked.
There was like a certain point where like I'm like, I wonder how Mason's doing. I look over and Mason's staring at the periodic table in the back of the test, and I'm like, yep. I'm like, well.
Car, all vowels. New car.
No, like 3 of those problems were identical to the practice test ones.
Probably I didn't get to go through the whole thing.
I did. I woke up at 6, and then I watched Instagram for 40 minutes.
Same, except I woke up at 7.
It's all about that time management. You have to get in that Sigma male grind, so you have to be like clean. I'll start howling, Mason.
How do I declare list?
Who's the Sigma? I'm the
How do I declare
Sigma.
list?
Who's the Sigma?
Bro's tweaking. How do I declare a list instead of an array?
Oh, good news. One of my coworkers isn't leaving.
Damn, that
Yeah.
sucks. Dude.
We're actually going to be leaving at the same time. We're both putting in our 2 weeks at like the end of April.
Man, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm retarded. Man,
That's
that's the
alright.
easiest thing ever, bro.
Whatever you said.
Isn't it just boom, boom?
Dude, you're forgetting a comma.
Yeah, I probably am. Joke's on you, though. We don't use commas. Not in this language. We
You
use
know?
semicolons.
Oh, that's what I meant. There's a comma with a dot.
All right.
No, see, you have the dot, you just don't have the comma.
All right, let's see. I figured this was gonna happen. I'm not even surprised this happened.
When I see the problem, look at line 15. Yep, see, I was right. I'm cracked. I'm insane.
I actually figured that was gonna happen. I was like, it's gonna not say I have anything here. So I'm gonna have to get rid of this and redo the whole thing.
Infinite.
But this is actually really easy to redo. Because I just copy this.
Oh, I get it. Like infinite, but infinite.
And then I move it down here. But then I get rid of vowel count.
Do you get it? No.
And then I do this.
Are you fucking... Are you retarded?
Can you explain the joke?
Okay. So imagine you were cranking your hog.
I'm trying to imagine, man.
Alright, start cranking your hog. And then well, once you arrive at your destination in 100 meters, alright, then we can elaborate onto why this is such a humorous event.
Oh, I'm not even returning anything. What the hell? Wait, I deleted like half my code, I feel like.
Huh?
No, I didn't. I'm just stupid. Can I return this? Return this. I'm so close to finishing, I swear. Boom, boom. Wait, hold up. It's because I'm missing like a bracket somewhere. I swear. Bracket, 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 bracket. Oh, wait. This is this one. This one will have a bracket. Okay. Always gets you, man. Missing a single bracket. When in doubt, you thug it out. Alright, something's broken. Because this isn't how this works, retard. It's like this. Oh, it's like, is it this one? Alright.
So I have a question. Do these commands, do they exist within the program, or is it something you make?
Both.
How does making them even, like, function?
You see how this is highlighted yellow? You can make this. And you see how this is big, capitalized, and green?
Yeah.
You can make that. Now, there's built-in ones they already have, so you don't have to write them every time you program. So strings are like words in programming language, and integers are like whole numbers, like 0. Mm-hmm. And then characters are just a single character, like A, E, I, O, U, A, B, C.
But what I'm saying is, how is the language able to support something with nothing to support it, if that makes sense? I don't know if it does. But basically, like, if a command doesn't exist, how can you make a new command from nothing? And then how does that in turn work?
Well, you use okay, so in coding, you have true and false, which is how literally your whole computer works. It's off of true and false. Mm-hmm. So it says on, off, on, off, on, off. So true means on, off. I mean, false means off. So you have a bunch of what's called like transistors and diodes, really small things, and there's millions of them in your computer. They turn off and on, off of true and false. So they have things called hexadecimal, which is 16 digits long. Mm-hmm. And it's 0 to 9, and then A through F, I believe.
Okay. And
this is what I learned in my engineering last semester. So the letter A, lowercase, is this 16-digit thing of ones and zeros. And then the capital letter A is a different set of ones and zeros. So lowercase and uppercase are two separate things. Mm-hmm. So the people who make the computers, they make it where all these different combinations of ones and zeros output some like letters. Yeah. If that makes sense. Now for us to understand, without there being like all these ones and zeros, they make the hexadecimal, which is like 0 to 9 and A through F, which is color, like how you eyedropper colors. Mm-hmm. So boom, they do that, and then blah blah blah. They get to this point, and then they make a thing called string, character, boolean, integer.
Well, I mean, okay, let me
Let
me restate my question a little bit. So I think about it like this. I'm gonna give an example of like that makes sense because I don't understand how like this works with it. So imagine like in chemistry, right? Mm-hmm. You're making like one of the new like unstable atoms, right? And you do that by taking existing elements that are stable and you combine them with other stable elements at high speed. Like you basically take something that already exists to lead to something else. So in this, where everything is basically arbitrary, how can you make something new, like completely new? Is it based off of something else already?
Well, you
Or
never.
does it just
It's
kind
all.
of work?
Yeah, it's all based off of stuff already. So like, if I want to make things called like methods, which are functions,
Mhm.
you could do what's called. Oh, why is this not working? Character at 1. Sorry.
There you go.
Int I. So this should be 0. Int I is 0. Why is character not working? Is it because vowel last -1, whatever the last thing is, -1. I don't know why this isn't working. Oh, required variable. Wait, required variable found value. It's giving a value instead of a variable. But isn't isn't
Yeah, you have it backwards. It needs a variable when you're giving it a value.
yeah, that's what I meant to say. But that's what I'm doing. Oh, why am I doing this? I could just do this. I'm actually fucking stupid. Wait, no, that doesn't work. It needs to be the character at the index I. So if int I equals, oh, I'm stupid. That doesn't work. Why would that work? If I do, all right, now I'm actually tweaking. Wait, how do I do this? Wait, I'm so close, bruh. Like I actually don't understand. So I need to figure out how to loop through the string using index I. Index I, index I, index I. So I can make some number. All right, let's go back over it. So this change. This is where we need to change it at. So int change equals whatever the index is at that. Yep, true, good. That looks good. I should be able to change it with this in it though. Car at I. So car at I is 0.
Well, good luck.
Man, blah blah blah. I'm so close, man. I don't get it. So if I plug 0 in, this becomes say 3. Car at 3.
No infinite, you're throwing.
I don't need it.
Huh? Remember, Mason. Without the nut, the soy does not bean.
Sure.
I'm so close. Man, I literally got to change one thing and it works, and I don't know how to change it to make it work. S.car at. We don't want it at I. We want it at we want it. We want to loop through this. Oh wait, I just figured how to do it. For we're gonna copy this real quick. As usual, it breaks everything. Let's do. Oh wait, what do we do? Int change equals 0. Change equals index at I. Ow. So close. Do I loop inside of a loop? Boop, 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 for blah, 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 blah. That's not gonna work. If I do while how do I make this the index at I? Because I'm giving it a value, but it needs a value, technically. Wait, yeah, change is just an int. And then this would be minus I. This is so interesting to me. And why I can't figure this out. Car at index I. I is 0. Let's see. This isn't gonna work. See if I get a problem this way. Ah, so this isn't the problem. So that wasn't my problem. This is my problem. So that sets the length. That sets the last. This determines. What does this mean? GPT. I'm gonna just GPT it so I can figure this out. Require a variable. Variable. Core. Oh, it's readable only. Interesting. Interesting. So we gotta convert core. Is it new? Oh, it's just S, not new. To my eye. 2 car, I'm tripping. Is it 2 R's? Two core array. For length 5. 0. So I is less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If s dot car add next 5 is out of bounds. What did I just do? I'll do this, we'll fix it, let's do the submission. Great hang crap, dude. If car at I equals all vowels, I'll draw. I have to make a method. Dang, I have like the jankiest solution right now. One, two, three. Oh. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. quick fix. Index 2 out of bounds for length 2. Oh wait. Now what if I run it? I think I'm not supposed to use this here. So what this is doing? What am I checking here? Let this be bound dot length. And isn't length too long? Isn't it just new string? Probably get rid of this, huh? Hard to find. Null. Yes. Yeah, I just want to freaking figure this out. Is car at index I. So whatever index I is. Equals to vowel. Last one. So minus 0 equals 0. Oh, I don't have a main class, dude. Dude. Why are you not working? So we declare this vowel count, however many vowels it is. If whatever we're at equals one of these, do it out. Boom, 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 boom. No, this does have to be this. Shucks, I don't know why it's doing it now. This is a vowel. Can I do? Can I plus equals? I don't even know how many vowels there are. So go through the whole word, and then once we get to it, what can I do here? So if we are at a vowel, we need to add it to our vowel character count. Is there like a cheeky way to do this? Because I don't want to add I, because I only got 2 things in this scenario. What if I just make this the length, bro? And just don't fill it up. Is that possible? Wow. Yeah, that so fucks me over. Because vowel at I. Wait. It does equal vowel, okay? Vowel at that J equals wait. Is this how we call it? Okay. A got reversed. Yeah, I give up for now. I think I'm gonna tackle this one tomorrow. Man, I was so close, and then I just ruined it.
Oh well. Trial and error.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll get it tomorrow. It's not even hard. I'm just overthinking it. And I'm not even done eating because it says I'm at 1,500 calories, so I'm about to eat a banana and like drink some milk and watch somebody on YouTube.